Hey guys, what is up and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, what I will be showing you guys how to do is how to actually trim your videos in the Inshot editing software for your mobile devices. The process is quite easy, so let's get right into it. As you can see, this is the screen you get when you open up the app, and you have these three options in the middle of your screen. You can either create a new video, photo, or collage, or if you want to select one, just click on the video icon and you will be taken to your gallery. Now, once you're in the gallery, you can pick any one video. I'll pick this one in the top, and once you click the green check mark, you'll be taken to the video editing screen. Once you're on the screen, what you want to do to actually trim the video is to click on it, and you can just slide these to actually trim the video. Once you actually do that, let's say this, your video will be trimmed, and if we go from the start and actually play this video, you will see that the video will only last as far as we trimmed it. Now, to actually undo this trimming process, what you want to do is click on it again and just expand it all the way to here, and then your video will be untrimmed. Now, what you can also do is to pre-cut this, and you can select here, for example, whichever part of the video you want. You can either trim it, you can cut it, or you can split it. Let's just try the split function. You just put it in the middle of wherever you want to actually split the video. Click on the check mark and you will see this. Now you can of course trim it further, or you can trim the video however you want. You have now two halves of the video which you can edit however you want. You can even put them full length, and if you put them full length, what you can do is just put them again to full, and your video, you will now have officially two videos of the same sort, or rather two copies of the same video. Just click on save if you want to save it. I don't, so let's just discard these changes, and that's pretty much it. I hope you guys found this video helpful. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in another video.